What's up, everybody? My name is Theodore, and I've been in the e-commerce and dropshipping space for several years now. And I wanted to make a video today talking about why you should get into dropshipping in 2024. So just to start off, we're gonna take a quick look at one of my stores just to kind of show you that I know what I'm talking about. So yesterday, you can see here that we did $12,000 in sales. If we go back to even any random day, let's say this Monday, we did $10,000 in sale. Friday, we did 11,000. Saturday 13,000, and Sunday 14,000. We can take a quick look at the last 30 days too. We did over $167,000 in sales in the last 30 days for just one of my dropshipping stores. So to start things off, I'll be talking about what dropshipping even is. I'll be focusing mostly on AliExpress dropshipping, which is probably the most common type of dropshipping that you hear most people talk about in YouTube videos, TikTok videos. And essentially what it is you find a viral product or a product that you think it has demand, or a winning product, and you basically build a very clean Shopify store that's well branded, that instills trust in your customers, and you just try to drive traffic to it through whatever marketing methods you want to use. Some people might like to use paid ads, which is Google ads, Meta ads, or even TikTok ads. Other people might like to drive traffic organically through short form content, such as making, TikTok videos or IG reels and hoping they go viral. And doing so, you can drive a lot of traffic to your store if the videos go viral. But at the end of the day, dropshipping is essentially just a fulfillment model. When customers buy from your store, you're just having AliExpress fulfill the order for you and ship it directly to the customer. If you really think about it, the business model is still e-commerce at the end of the day, not dropshipping. It's just a fulfillment model. So I wanted to tackle some common misconceptions that people have about dropshipping in general. A lot of people think that dropshipping is dead or it doesn't work, and obviously, from my results, you can see that they're just straight up wrong. But I would say that most gurus on, YouTube or TikTok kind of paint dropshipping as some sort of get rich quick scheme, as if like any beginner can just get into dropshipping and get similar results to this. And I would say that while dropshipping doesn't require too much money to start off with, in fact, it can even take no money whatsoever if you prefer to go the organic short form way, where you try to get a viral TikTok video or IG reel, or even if you did run paid ads, it wouldn't cost you too much to test a product. I would say just $100 to $200 just to verify a product if it's a winner or not. You still have to develop the skills and obtain the knowledge to scale these dropshipping stores. A common reason why people believe that dropshipping just doesn't work or is straight up dead is because of the long ship times that you might have when you're fulfilling out of China using AliExpress or other suppliers. While I do agree that ship times can be a bit long, typically on average, say 2-3 weeks, it does not actually stop customers from purchasing your products. I mean, as you can see here, we even have a 5.5% returning customer rate yesterday. And if you think about it, even if you do have a real brand, some real brands actually have fairly long ship times even when they do have inventory. And while I do agree that long ship times may discourage customers from purchasing or purchasing again, repeat purchases, some real brands, such as, let's say you own a mattress brand or something, you might not even have a high customer LTV actually, because how many customers buy, a mattress repeatedly? Typically, I would say you just buy one or two and you're pretty much straight for who knows how many years. In fact, let's use the store that I'm showing you right now, for example. For my store, we actually have 2 to 3 weeks long ship times. And despite doing so, we got over 134 orders yesterday, 131 sessions converted, 5.5% returning customer rate. And we're very transparent about the ship times in our FAQ page. And this just goes to show that, despite the long ship times, people are more than happy to purchase this product and even repeatedly purchase. So another reason why people think that dropshipping just straight up doesn't work or is dead is because they probably tried dropshipping themselves and it didn't work out for them, or they failed. If you really think about it, dropshipping is a fulfillment model. It's how you're fulfilling these orders. At the end of the day, the business model is e-commerce, and obviously e-commerce as a business model works. Let's talk about some of the reasons why beginners are failing when they start to dropship. So there could be numerous reasons why beginners are failing when they're trying to dropship for the first time. I would say some common reasons could be they're just choosing the wrong product. Their product that they're choosing just doesn't have demand. It could be the websites that they're making. It doesn't really instill trust in the customer. It doesn't really convince customers why they should purchase this product. It could be the video creatives that they're making aren't really converting customers to even want to click the link to check out the website to purchase the product. It could be that their offer is bad. Honestly, there could be countless reasons why they're failing, but I would say at the end of the day, if you have the skills necessary, which is, you know how to do good copywriting, you know how to make a high converting website, you know how to choose the right product, you know how to make really fire creatives. I would say if you have all those in line, there's no reason why anyone should be failing when trying to dropship. Now that we covered that, I want to talk about why you should get into dropshipping. One, I think it's one of the best way to get into e-commerce and learn about direct response marketing, since you don't really need too much capital to make a store and run some ads to test a product. Or maybe if you don't even want to spend any money on paid ads, you could try to drive traffic to your store through TikTok videos or IG Reels, for example. Now, compare that to trying to start your own actual brand where you have inventory and you're holding it. So pretend you're trying to start a lash brand or something. Oftentimes when you talk to manufacturers, they have a MOQ, which is minimum order quantity. Basically, it's a number of units that you have to purchase in order for them to, fulfill for you. So pretend the MOQ is 50 units or 100 units, whatever it may be. That's the amount of your product that you have to purchase, and you don't even know that whether or not you can even sell the product. You don't know if you have product market fit. You don't know if there's a demand for this product. You don't know if you even have the marketing skills to even be able to sell this. Now compare that to dropshipping, where you don't have any inventory. You're able to just find a product, launch a store, and try your best to market it, whether it's through paid ads, short form content, or whatever it may be, influencers. You're able to actually test to see if this product is a winner and develop your marketing skills to sell this product. And it's a much cheaper way compared to starting your own brand where you have a bunch of inventory that you might not even be able to sell. And if you end up getting stuck with all that inventory, it will just be a huge financial L. So I would say dropshipping takes less capital overall compared to starting your own actual brand, and it allows you to develop the marketing skills necessary to market your own real brand if you decide to go that route one day, where you do have inventory and fulfill orders yourself or sending it to a 3PL to fulfill for you. So kind of building on my last point, when you're dropshipping or trying to scale a successful dropshipping store, you kind of learn a lot of different marketing skills that are very high value. For example, you learn about copywriting, you learn about how to make a high converting landing page, you learn about CRO, which is conversion rate optimization, you learn about media buying, which is running paid ads on Meta, Google, TikTok, for example. You learn about customer support, you learn about retention marketing, which is email marketing or SMS marketing, and you learn about how to make high converting creatives. You honestly develop a lot of different marketing skills that are very high value, so that even if dropshipping for some reason doesn't work out for you, you can apply those skills for other ventures, such as starting your own e-commerce brand or starting an agency where you can apply those skills for companies that want to hire you. You could even apply to work at an agency or some company that has their own in-house marketing team or whatever, or even just be a freelancer. For example, pretend from dropshipping you really learn how to make really good landing pages, very high converting, and you just market yourself on Twitter as a CRO expert, and you can even charge these e-commerce brands $3,000 to $5,000 per landing page, or advertise yourself on Upwork or ecom discords or Slack, but really develop a high value skill that is very profitable. For example, you want to start a email marketing agency because you got really good at email marketing. You can even charge e-commerce brands 3 to 5k monthly retainers, and if you just have 2 or 3 clients a month, you can be making anywhere from 10k plus pure profit pretty much just from your skills that you develop while learning to dropship. Finally, like I showed you at the beginning of this video, there is a lot of money to be made dropshipping, and you can make a lot of money dropshipping, and it is cool that it doesn't require a lot of capital, it doesn't require inventory, and that you do develop a lot of really high value marketing skills that can make you a lot of money even if dropshipping fails. But I would say that now is the best time to get into dropshipping because there's just so much information out there right now, whether it's on YouTube or TikTok or Twitter or whatever, on how to dropship successfully and really scale stores to, even 7-figure months. And I would say that back in the day, there wasn't that much available information, and there's a lot more resources now, such as ChatGPT, to help you write product copy or, video ads copy. And back in the day, dude, I was sitting down for several hours just cooking up writing copy as if it's like an essay and doing a lot of research. And nowadays people have it so much easier. Like, you know, you can just use ChatGPT and you can pretty much like whip up a landing page in just a short few hours. I would say though that there is a lot of information to kind of have to shift through. There's a lot of low quality content out there and you kind of have to shift through to find like the real gems. But I would say though, now is the best time to get into dropshipping. Is honestly never been easier than right now as someone that's been dropshipping for years now. Anyways, I hope that whoever's watching this video got a lot of value out of it. If you do like this video, I would really appreciate it if you could hit the like button down below and press the subscribe button. I'm gonna be trying to make a lot more content on how you can become a successful dropshipper. So if you're a beginner that's just trying to get started, you definitely don't want to miss out on these videos. Anyways, hope you guys have a good day. Peace.